Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make a sound test comparison between the amazing Sony ULT Tower 10 versus the JBL Partybox 710. We all know that Sony speaker have a 12-inch big subwoofer here, two mid-range speakers and 4 tweeters, 2 on the front and 2 on the back for omnidirectional sound, and has 1000 watts of power, so it should be very powerful, while the JBL Partybox 710 has two 8-inch woofers here and only 2 tweeters. So to see which sounds better, we will gonna play the same song on the speakers at the maximum level of sound with the deep bass activated. First will be the Sony speaker. So I put my headphones because inside the house the sound, it is just too much that comes from these 4 tweeters and this mid-range speaker. The bass, it is very good, the sound, it is amazing, it is very loud. So this, it is a very loud speaker, but the sound is not that balanced. I think you should need to twitch with the adjustments in the Sony app to adjust the highs lower and the bass may be higher. So the sound is very good, it is very loud. But now let's go to the JBL Partybox 710 with the same song at the maximum level of sound. So it is clearly that the JBL Partybox 710, it is more balanced than the Sony ULT 10. The Sony has 1000 watts of power, while the JBL Partybox 710 has only 800 watts of power. But you can feel that the Sony speaker, it is louder, but the bass, it is quite there with the JBL Partybox 710. So it has an amazing bass, the sound, it is well balanced, you can well do a outdoor party with only one JBL Partybox 710. And the lights, it is more beautiful than the Sony lights, because it has these LEDs, these strips of LEDs, and every speaker is light up, while the Sony speaker, it only has lights on the top, on the front, on the back, and on the bottom, on the front and on the back. Which I prefer between these two as sound. I definitely prefer the JBL Partybox 710. It is clearly more balanced. The sound, it is better than on the Sony speaker. On the Sony you have lots and lots of highs due to the 4 tweeters. So what is your opinion about this sound test? Which one do you prefer? Of course, I used these headphones because the sound, it is just too loud. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!